Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has reaffirmed his administration's commitment to breaking barriers and dismantling discrimination, promising to create an environment where women can flourish. The governor, represented by his wife, Dr. Sanwo-Olu, declared his support at the second phase of the Micro-Enterprise Support Initiative in Alausa, Ikeja, which empowered 1,700 beneficiaries. Items distributed included sewing and stoning machines, hairdressing kit, cameras, pedicure set, and cash grant for petty traders. Speaking at the event, Mrs. Sanwo-Olu stated that the initiative provides a pathway for women to succeed while safeguarding their rights.
Today's beneficiaries will receive more than financial and material support. They will receive renewed hope and a greater opportunity to contribute meaningfully to the economic growth of the state. Our administration remains resolute in protecting and advancing the rights of women. We will continue to strengthen policies, laws, and institutions that guarantee safety, dignity, and equal opportunities for all women in Lagos State. Do not sell the equipment or misuse this opportunity. These resources have been provided to change your story, to lift your families, and to strengthen your communities. I expect you to use them productively, to build sustainable businesses, and to also empower others in return.
In her remarks, Commissioner for Women Affairs and Poverty Alleviation, Mrs. Bolaji Cecilia-Dada, noted that 70% of the beneficiaries were graduates of the State Tuition Fee Skills Acquisition Centers, describing the tools as gateway to dignity, productivity, and financial independence.
It cuts across all gender, youths, old women, widows, the disabled, students that have graduated from our 19 skills acquisition centers spread across the 5 divisions of Lagos State. We've given equipment. Some have been given cash grants, but the cash grants was given to petty traders. Lagos is doing a lot in terms of empowerment. Women Affairs is empowering, Wealth Creation is empowering, Office of the First Lady is empowering, Ministry of Agric is empowering. So a lot of empowerment programs are ongoing. I want to urge Lagosians to take advantage of all these opportunities. Like I say all the time, Lagos State has zero tolerance for poverty. So we're doing everything possible to eradicate poverty in Lagos State.